What's up, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I did say in the last video that I was going to finish up the polishing of the other components, which I have done that since the last time you guys saw the other video, and I did that today, which is probably another reason why I'm still covered in fuzz. After I finished polishing up those components, as you guys will see here, I took them out in the sunlight, and you guys can see how well they look. They look really, really good. The only part that I could not really clean up well was the front brake master cylinder. You can see that the bike had been dropped in the previous, probably by the previous owner, or at least in the past, and there's damage on there, so I really couldn't do much with it, but I did as much as I could. But as good as they look, I think they're gonna make this bike look really great. But in this video, I will be replacing the handlebars and all the controls up front. I need to disconnect the clutch cable, the front brake line, which I really didn't want to have to do, but unfortunately I'm forced to do that. And after installing all this stuff here and all the controls, that also means that I'll be able to install the headlight and reassemble everything. So the whole front end of the bike will look, it'll look all together finally after a while. So I'm looking forward to it. I'm ready to get to work. So without further ado, let's get busy. this is going to be a wrap for today's video. We've gotten to the point where I got a whole new setup for my handlebars back on. We swapped them out. I rerouted the clutch cable, and I've got good clutch. Problem is this isn't tight, neither side is, because the bolts that are on here, I don't like them. I can't access them to tighten them down, so I'm going to take one of them out and run it up to Ace Hardware probably tomorrow after work. But everything on here works. However, let's see if I turn this on. I'm not going to keep this headlight. I've actually got another headlight. It's a LED one, so this is just temporary for right now. But as you can see, all the lights, every one of them works. So if I hook up the tail section, that's also going to work too. These are actually the running lights. They stay on all the time. Problem with this though is this control right over here, this button sticks, but the turn signal does work. There you go. Come on. Yeah, see it's sticking. If you push it in, it's supposed to cancel, but it's not going to do that. And that's turn signal for that. And then you push in to cancel, and it won't do it for me. Come on. Come on. I said no. There's no. Okay, push in to cancel. There you go. And then everything starts up like it's supposed to. The engine is warm. I had it running for a little bit. So let me pull out the choke just a smidge. Could use some serious help, but like I said, we're going to circle back Gensaki style to that CDI box at a later time. But anyway, everything on this seems to be working just right, or as designed, and I'm as far as I can get for this evening. There is supposed to be a mirror that's going up on this side, but I'm not going to put it up there just yet because this is still loose. The front brake reservoir, it is not full, it's still empty, so I'm going to actually have to put some fluid in here. I did not drain everything else, but I will have to bleed it still. So I don't have any air lines whenever I go to, try to stop it. I won't have any brake issues. But for the most part, I mean, everything still works. It's all working as designed right now so far. Just well, a little bit of adjustments here and there, and then I gotta, like I said, I'm gonna clean this out. I gotta take it apart and clean the points because it's real sticky inside, and I didn't know that. So, but anyway, like I said, that's gonna be it for this evening's video. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed the video and the content of it. If you guys like it, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to the channel. And until next time, y'all take it easy. I love you. Good night.